Hey, what's going on, guys? Today I'm going to be replacing my rear drive shaft and the carrier bearing because mine's vibrating really loud. So I've already got it jacked up, as you can tell. Exhaust is already all loose and all the heat shield is loose. I'm just waiting for a friend to bring Torx and inverted Torx, and then this will all be out.
Yeah, guys, so for the exhaust, it's very simple. The back is just two hangers. And then over on the front, you might not be able to see this, but there's just 1, 2, 3, 4 screws for the top. And then it just comes loose. And then this bracket right here, there's 4 on each side, and you just take that off, and then your whole exhaust will come right down. So the symptoms of this would be pretty much right here underneath your center console. It should like be thudding or vibrating pretty violently on the highway, pretty much at like speeds of like 80 miles an hour ish. So I actually just put in a Flux disc about a month ago, and it helped, but that wasn't it. I also have poly bushings for the tranny, so it vibrates a little bit, but the vibration is pretty bad. Okay, so all the heat shield's off, so we just need to pull these 2 bolts right here, and then I'll drop the carrier bearing. And then on the back, there's just 4 bolts connecting it to the differential, and then this piece will just slide out of this one right through the carrier bearing. Okay, so the drive shaft came right out. It just slid right out of here. So I'm just gonna put the new one in, and that'll be it. So we put the new one in. I just greased the spline. Now it's just time to put the heat shield back on.